Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make apple pie. We will cover everything from selecting the best apples to achieving that perfect golden crust. Get ready to create a delicious dessert that will impress everyone. This guide will walk you through each step, ensuring a successful and tasty outcome. Let's begin our journey to a homemade apple pie. For a truly great apple pie, start with the right apples. Firm, tart varieties like Granny Smith work wonderfully. Your crust needs 2 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour and 1 cup of cold, unsalted butter for flakiness. Remember to chill your dough for at least 30 minutes. This step is crucial for a tender, easy-to-handle crust. Now, let's create that irresistible apple filling. You'll want to peel, core, and thinly slice about 6 to 8 medium apples. Mix these with 1/2 cup of granulated sugar and 1/4 cup of brown sugar for a rich sweetness. Don't forget to add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon and a pinch of nutmeg for that classic warm spice flavor. It's time to assemble your masterpiece. Carefully place 1 rolled-out pie crust into a 9-inch pie dish. Spoon your delicious apple filling evenly over the bottom crust. Then, top it with the second crust, sealing and crimping the edges for a beautiful finish. Bake your pie at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 50 minutes until golden brown.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.